Thank you, Honorable Assistant Minister, for that question. Through the Public Roads Department, the Ministry continues to implement Rural Roads Development Program in the various divisions, including the Central Division. From 2023 to date, a total of 11 road projects and 2 crossing infrastructure projects have been undertaken being undertaken in the Central Division, specifically Naitasi Reservoir. These works include pilot cuts and graveling of new roads, upgrading and maintenance of existing roads, construction of various crossings. The total road length developed in the Central Division stands at 29.5 kilometers with additional 15.6 meters of crossing infrastructure constructed or under development. The total investment in the Central Division amounts to around 2.49 million. The projects completed include Nakorvo, Matai Wailevu, Naisongo, and currently the Ministry Public Works is working on Nakinda, Wairurua, and in the procurement phase, Sambata Road Project and Wainandra Phase 2 Harris Cross. Some of the beneficiary communities, as I've already mentioned, in Naitasiri, Nakinda, Nakorvo, Matai Wailevu, Wairurua, Naisongo, and Wainandra, and in Serua and Sambata. These communities have experienced improved access to essential services such as health, education, and markets, and in terms of enhanced mobility, safety, and economic opportunities, specifically in agriculture and access to markets. The Ministry remains committed in completing the remaining works. This update is specifically the works delivered by the Public Works Department. It does not include what is covered by Fiji Roads Authority, and I will deliver a more comprehensive update in the next Parliament session.